Before this video ends, I'm going to show you undeniable proof that you're being robbed right now and what you can do about it. Every time you send an email to your list, you actually lose money, not make money. Autoresponder made you believe that this is the best way, to pay hundreds of dollars every single month and get a 1 to 5% open rate. And to make matters worse, they can shut your business at any moment without notice. It's crazy. But what if there's a better way, a way to get up to 99% open rate? Imagine clicking a button and reach your leads via email, WhatsApp, SMS, and voice messages. Imagine not having to pay a penny in monthly fees. That's not some crazy dream, my friend. This is exactly what ZENDLY can do for you. It takes list marketing to a completely new level. It's the world's first affiliate-friendly AI autoresponder that leverages emails, WhatsApp broadcasts, voice messages, and bulk SMS. With ZENDLY, there are no restrictions, no bans, no monthly payments. You can enjoy our 99.99% deliverability rate for just a one-time tiny fee. All it takes is just a couple of minutes, and you're ready to get open rates like this. But what if you don't have a list? What if you're just starting out? You don't have to worry, because with one click, ZENDLY will offer you laser-targeted leads in any niche. And you don't have to pay a cent extra. Just enter your niche and ZENDLY will offer you red-hot leads. Comes with full info, name, email, WhatsApp number, Facebook profile, everything. 100% legal, 100% ethical. Now all you have to do is start sending them your message. You can promote anything with ZENDLY. It works for affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, product owners, bloggers, influencers, freelancers, video marketers, local business owners, even if you're a book writer. ZENDLY is the missing piece of the puzzle that'll save you thousands of dollars each year and 10x your return. It replaces not just one or two, but dozens of apps like aweber, Getresponce, CovertKit, Twillo, WhatsApp Mass Sender, and more. All of those expensive, unreliable apps are gone. Now you can use a better, faster, and more efficient app. Introducing ZENDLY, the world's first all-in-one artificial intelligence autoresponder that reaches your leads everywhere. Email, SMS, WhatsApp, voice. Even if you don't have a list, ZENDLY will automatically build one for you. It works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Log into ZENDLY cloud-based app. Step 2. Leads. Use ZENDLY to uncover red-hot leads in any niche or import your own. Step 3. Blast. Press one button and reach billions of contacts via email, SMS, WhatsApp, and voice. Step 4. Profit. Yup, that's it. Every time we send a message, we make money like this. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have, we removed all that. With ZENDLY, you don't need to pay monthly. You don't need to host anything. You don't need to spend a penny on ads. You don't even need a list, as ZENDLY will do that for you automatically. And here's the sweetest part. ZENDLY comes equipped with a powerful SMTP that you can use with no limit. And if you want to use yours, ZENDLY also integrates with Amazon SES, SendGrid, Twillo, Mailgun, Nextmo, MessageBird, cPanel, TextMagic, Clickatel, etc. Awesome! I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. I can charge up to $1,000 for it. And considering that our competitors who have less than 5% of ZENDLY's power will charge you up to $5,000 every year, that'd be a steal. And that's not considering the WhatsApp sender, the SMS sender, the voice message sender, the 100% automation and tracking, the ability to generate leads for free, the removal of any restrictions or silly bans. In simple words, ZENDLY is priceless. But the thing is, I make enough money by using ZENDLY myself, and I'm going to continue to keep it up and running for many years to come. So I have no reason to overcharge you for it. Plus, I'd hate to turn into one of those autoresponders. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to ZENDLY for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner. This is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running ZENDLY. But here's the catch. We put a lot of effort and care into each customer of ZENDLY, which takes a lot of our time. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $297 a month. And considering we sent this page to our 100,000 subscribers, this will sell out fast. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Zendly for any reason, we insist that you send us an email and we'll gladly refund you. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you $200 as a gift for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get instant access to Zendly Plus, an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.